Here I have Google Pixel 7, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, then switch to slow motion, and here you can record videos in slow-mo. So I'm just gonna record this toilet paper spin as usual. So let's get it. Now let's check it out. So here, as you can see, this toilet paper spins extremely slow. You can see every of its moves, which is pretty cool, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.